Hi guys, welcome to Scrapbrat. I'm Cindy, and I just wanted to pop on and say that I know a lot of us are redoing our craft rooms right now, and some of us are struggling. I'm struggling, um, and I just wanted to make a playlist, I guess, for lack of a better term for it. I don't know. Make a playlist for some of the ideas of um, the craft storage that I have. If it's your first time here, I'm cheap. Some people say frugal. No, I'm cheap. Huge difference. But a lot of things that I have used that aren't intended for the purpose that I use them for. And I want to make um, a playlist, add to my craft room organization playlist, if you will, of not only the DIYs, but some of the things that I use for craft room storage. Some of the things I've thrifted, some of the things I've upcycled, and a few of the things that I've bought new that aren't intended for craft room storage that I have made work. And I think you could too if it suits your needs. But just wanted to say that a lot of us are struggling. See, I'm going to show you the background a little bit. Yeah. Okay. Hopefully, I'm not making anybody dizzy. But yeah, this is this is our current state. But I want to switch you around and show you what it really looks like because we all struggle. We all do. Everybody. Everybody struggles. And um, destashing and purging is hard. We put a lot of love and thought into the things that we've either thrifted or bought new, and we have these ideas for it. But sometimes you've had them for a while and it's time to let go. And yeah, just want to let you know you're not alone. And yeah, this is the current state of mind. Yeah, so this is a mess. It's a mess. It's a mess. It's my desk. And this is the it gets worse before it gets better stage because, yeah, I have definitely made it worse. I mean, things are better. They're getting better. But you know, yeah, that's at least a doable area. It's still usable, but not my desk. My desk is a mess. And I'm not even going to walk on the other side of my desk. Well, yeah, I will. I'll just walk over here to show you that I can get through. I really can. But this is all trashed too. Everything is pulled out. And it looks like I have nowhere to go with stuff. This is one thing that I want to show you. It's a mechanics um, binder holder. It's for like Chilton's manuals or parts manuals. And I have stickers and stencils and small pads in it. Here, see, it's kind of like a scrap rack, and I think those were by Totally Tiffany or Scrapbook.com. I can't remember, but I outgrew mine, so I found this, and I found it on Facebook Marketplace for like $15, and it holds scads. It's one big piece, but it's two levels. That's my picture that I always talk about that my daughter-in-law did for me. It's so cute. But anyways, yeah. So, but yeah, that holds tons, and I use every single inch of my room, every inch. Yeah, all the way because I wanted to move up here to the upstairs, and um, I had a lot of the basement, and I had to purge a lot back then. But now it's becoming to the point where I need to definitely take a look at things that I have and go through them and be real about it, be honest with myself. And I want to encourage you to do the same. I definitely have empty drawers and I have empty space, but I'm being very diligent about what I put in said drawers, what I put in those spaces, because I want to only keep the things in my room that bring me joy and make me happy. Um, the other ones, well, they got to go because I have no room for any of that mess in my life because this is making me crazy. Like, can't sleep crazy since I started this. I mean, it was a little messy and I trashed it. So this is ridiculous. But I just wanted to say that y'all aren't alone because we all do it. You know, we all with the craft room redo, the craft room refresh, the updates, the reorganization. And that's part of crafting, honestly, is that my husband always says, isn't your craft room, isn't it? Aren't you happy with it? Aren't you happy with it? Because I get to the point where it's nice and it's clean and everything has a home. And then I start over. This is not the first time that this has happened. Yeah, but I just wanted to say that you're not alone. It's a constant work in progress. And maybe once we get it to a certain point, we're happy. I'm happy. I mean, even with it being like this, I still love my craft room. It's just, I can't breathe in it right now. And I like visual clutter. I like to see my things, but this is, it's painful. So I'll put back on when I come across something that I have upcycled or come across a few of them to share with y'all because I hope to be able to help somebody get something organized or to bring something else to the table that you haven't thought of before. So yeah, just wanted to say that. And I wanted to say thanks to every single one of you guys. Y'all are loved very much. You're cherished. And I know I have a lot of new subscribers, and I just wanted to say thanks and hi. And yeah, just wanted to say, yeah, genuinely from my heart, thank you. So yeah, so go out and spread some joy today, guys, and love one another. Until next time, much love. Thanks.